So 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. So please make it quick. Lingesh, understand how to solve? Kishore, Pranav,
Yes.
Raj. Yeah, please make it. Yennara Gokul, again you will join same like things. I modify means you won't see ya. Bad boy. Always like this. Hasini Sudhakar, understand now? Hasini and another Hasini. Clear? Malishka?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please make it. So this is what about kilowatt hour. So kilowatt hour and joules. Basically the SI unit of energy. What is the SI unit of energy, everybody? SI unit of energy is joule. Okay. Sir, which energy? Sir, light energy, sound energy, understanding, potential energy, kinetic energy, mechanical energy, nuclear energy, every energy same. Whatever the type of energy, heat energy, always what is the unit of energy, everybody? Any kind of energy, the energy, what is the unit? Joules only. Okay, ma? So that is you should remember first. Okay. Next, I have introduced one new unit. Have you checked it, everybody? I told you which is first time you people will hear. What is that?
Electron volt.
Electron volt.
Electron volt.
So let us write. And the calories also. So calories is actually very common unit, but people don't know. Only chocolates eating time and all they'll see, but later they will forget it. So what is that? Let us discuss that and we'll make that. So now observe very carefully. Write electron volt. All of you write. Electron volt. It is defined as, it is only for electrical energy. What energy? Everybody? Electrical energy. Okay. It is defined as electric work. It is defined as electric work done when an electron moves. When an electron moves between 2 points, when an electron moves between 2 points in a electric field. In a electric field. Okay. In electric field maintained at a potential difference of 1 volt. Okay. Now I'll draw circuit also, electricity. If I take a conductor, for example, remember, if one electron transferred from here to here, Purima, Agalya, imagine this is A point and this is what point? B point. Clear? And what is the potential difference? Battery or cell? How much is the voltage? How much I mentioned here? What is the voltage of cell? 1 volt.
1.
How much voltage? 1 volt. Yes, Abhirami, third chapter, work and energy, not fourth chapter, work and energy. Okay, so 1 volt, then the energy generated when the electron is transferred from one point to another point, how much? When, guys? When it is like, when electron moves 2 points in an electric field, means from one point to another point, then that is what we used to call as, what we used to call, everybody? Electric potential. So how much it is, sir? How many joules? Keep it in mind. 1 electric volt EV is equals to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So this is what electric volt. So 1 electron is transferred from one point to another point when its potential difference across the ends is 1 volts. Then what is the energy generated, everybody? What is the energy is generated? 1.6 into...
The potential difference means in the sense...
Mari? Potential difference
So
only called as voltage. Potential difference only called as voltage. Okay, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Potential difference only called as voltage. Okay? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please make it.
Sir, it is moving one by one so that they are coiling as 1 volt, sir.
Yes, Mari. No, Mari. If the across the ends potential difference is 1 volts voltage, then 1 electron will transfer this much energy, this much joules. If 100 electrons will transfer into 100, 1000 electrons transfer into 1000. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is what. So if 1 electron transferred, that is what electron volt will say. Purima? Understand
Yes,
what?
sir.
That is what. Clear, everybody? Others? Yes, please. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Niroshi, have you understand? Pranav? Sam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, any doubt, ask me, Sam. Clear, Sam? Everything? Okay. Next, last one. So calories. So calories only. If you see most of our Indian chocolates, of course, Dairy Milk is a foreign chocolate. If you see our Indian chocolate, energy will be there in the calories. Have you checked it, everybody? Verify it, all of you. So calories is there. Sir, what do you mean by calories? And what is the relationship between calories and joules? Okay. So in Teriya sir means no use. Remember, if you cross this level 9th class, nowhere in your life you will study relationship between calories and energy. Okay, that is what is that joules. Okay, so write it. Calorie, how the calorie definition came, then we will study that. Right, calorie is defined as the calorie is defined as the amount of heat energy. What is that? Amount of heat energy required. Amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature. We already studied in chapter 1 chemistry. Anybody can tell me? What is the energy required to rise 1 degree of temperature? Anybody? We used to call something. Yes, please. There is a word called as L. It will start with a L. Anybody of you? Girls, boys? 1 degree rise in temperature. Latent heat of vaporization, latent heat of evaporation.
Fusion.
Yeah, fusion. Have you studied? That is only the calorie. We have written in the joules. You remember, Agalya? One degree rise in temperature. We have written in the joules. Do you remember everybody's? Yes?
Yes, sir.
That is what we can say. So calorie is defined as the amount of heat energy required to rise the temperature. To rise the temperature of 1 gram of pure water. 1 gram of what water? 1 gram of pure water from there is a fixed temperature also. So you'll be please learn it. From 15.45 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius. This is what is called as calories. Okay. Oh, sneaker 488 calories, Amma. 488 calories. Okay. Sneakers. Okay. So that is what it is called as calories. Please learn the definition of calories. Anyone having doubt? Please let me ask. So now what is joule to calories? What is the relation? Let us discuss now. So yes, Mari. Yes, any doubt, anybody? Understand all of you? Agalya?
Yes, sir.
So what is meant by 1 gram, sir?
1 gram, Mari. 1 gram
Oh,
of
that 1 gram.
1
Okay, sir.
gram.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please make it. Any doubt, all of you? Now, sir, 1 calorie and joules. How much, sir? Shall we study now, everybody? All of you? Yes? Please respond, Ra. All of you?
Yes,
So
sir.
1 calorie is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
how many joules, Terima? 1 calorie is equals to CAL is equals to 4.184 joules. This is the relationship between calories and joules. Or else I can say 1 calories is equals to 4.8 will borrow 1. So 4.2. How many joules, Amma? 1 calories is equals to, everybody?
4.2 joules.
Yes. So please make 1 calorie is equals to 4.2 joules. That is what. Now Snickers are giving 488 calories. Means 488 into 4.2 joules. Modified. How much energy? Multiply it and tell me. 488 into 4.8. Sorry, 4.2. How much it is? Ma, that is big chocolate. How many rupees chocolate am it is? Lakshanya? 2049.6 joules. This is the total energy you will get it by eating 1 Snicker. Understanding all
So,
of
on
you?
doubt, sir.
Yes, Mark.
And in definition of calories, you have written the
Yeah.
amount of heat required to increase the temperature, no, sir.
1 gram
That's
of pure water. Yes.
pure water.
Pure water. Because basically there is a standard definition, Mari. That is the standard definition of calorie. Understanding?
Yes, sir. There will be actual increase in the temperature, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, Mari.
And
Yeah.
the constant value of the temperature of water is 14.5.
They have given that. It's like, see, that the person who defined the calorie, they have given that energy, a particular energy, which is equals to 1 calorie when the temperature rising from 14.5 to 15.5. Clear? There is a many factors, I think. Okay?
Yes.
Understand, Mari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now you all people are almost teenage adults. Okay. Now, adults typically require almost, you remember, 1,600 to 3,000 calories of energy. All of you understanding? So this much energy is averagely, if you are normal human adult, this much energy consumption our body will require for do all the works. Understanding? So suppose my age, I will burn minimum 5,000 calories per day. So that is why if you eat you can see even TV advertisements and all, you can see if you are a hunger, you will eat a Snickers. I will remember that people will share that ads also. Snickers,
Yes, sir.
because Snickers will give extremely high energy. That is why 1 Snicker if you eat, almost like your hunger will be disappear very fastly. So one day for averagely adult human, he needs averagely this much 1,600 to 3,000 calories of energy. Do you understand, everybody? All of you? Yes. So that is what eating Snickers. You can see dairy milk and all, it will be less than the Snickers energy. You can check it, all of you. So normal, if you buy a 10 grams of Snicker and 10 grams of dairy milk, you can see, you can compare the chocolates. What is having more energy? Okay, guys. So this is what is about energy and what is the units of energy. What is the commercial unit of energy and other units. What is the commercial unit of energy? Everybody? Kilowatt hours. Commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hours. Okay. Then tomorrow's class will study a particular type of energy called as I said, what is that energy? Mechanical energy. Okay. So whole chapter about of your class 9 will run about this potential and mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is 2 types. One is potential energy plus kinetic
Kinetic
energy. Sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy is only called as what? Mechanical energy. Okay. Then, but your level, you don't have any kind of derivation for potential energies and all for 9th class. Only kinetic energy derivation you have. But we will study derivation of potential energy for both elastic and as well as normal. Okay, elastic potential energy and gravitational potential energy, and then we'll study Hooke's law, and then we'll go to the kinetic energy. We all will study that. Okay, so this is all about it. Everybody is having any doubt, you can ask me, or else you can leave from the meeting. Thank you, everybody. Hope you all understand. All of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We'll meet in